What do you think one day if the banks just don't respond?
Don't respond to
anything?
I think that's going to happen.
Well, that's where you wish you had some cash or some Bitcoin.
I dropped $1 million in cash off to a bank one day at 7:30 in the morning into their door. They literally had to shut the bank down. They were so nervous. Giving the banks money is becoming problematic, and for sure taking it.
I'm talking about, let's say shit hits the fan, pandemic this, pandemic that. Someone's like, well, go to the store and load up on food, and you run your credit card and it says decline.
No bueno.
And then you're like, well, fuck, go to the ATM, and you stick in your ATM card and you got money in there. Decline.
No bueno.
And pretty soon the bank's just not responding. Like, all your money is now fucking gone instantly. And now you have zero money.
Yep. Well, just go
and
look.
I don't care how much you have. You could have $39 billion in the bank, and the bank's saying, fuck you, Mr. Cardone. You got nothing now.
Yeah. The difference is the guy that's got $39 billion, he got a phone call on Thursday and said, hey, shit's getting ready to hit the fan. That's the problem. You know, he got the phone call. So they've done this in Portugal, Spain. Venezuela is imploding right now. I think the euro fails in the next 24 months, which means the entire EU collapses and NATO falls apart, and we're in a shit show like you've never seen before. So your question, I think these are things that Americans have never even contemplated, that people in the Ukraine actually experience all the time. India, they experience this. Oh, you can only take $20 out. We're killing the $100,000, $10,000 rupee. The 50-pound note in the United Kingdom, I think the prettiest note on the planet, it's being disbanded.
Why?
The 1,000, they don't want big currencies out there.
Why?
Because that's where all the money laundering can be done. Right?
So it's all about control.
$1 billion in $100 notes versus $1 billion in dollar notes. It's a lot of mass, right? All you guys have to do, I know most of you guys don't like to read, but like get your head out of the freaking tic-tac and go study history. Like there's 300 currencies in the history since Egypt that have all failed. Fiat currencies all fail 100% of the time. I have never been to an ATM in my entire life.
You just go get the cash.
Dude, I get 20 grand, stick it in my safe, and when I need it, I need it. Like, or 100 grand or $1 million. I mean, why? I'm not worried about losing.
What if someone busts in your house and snatches it?
What? Take it. See you later, man. Okay, now they got to get past my dogs, they got to get past the guns, but